Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Today it looks like we're doing number 207. If we start with this box, we're missing a 3 and a 4, and I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this box, looks like we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 8, 2. For this row, we're missing 3 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 4 and a 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here. So this is our 3. We've got an 8 here. So 4, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 3 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. To finish out this column now, we're just missing a 2. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. But no other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. But that 7 makes this our 6, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column, looks like we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this column now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 5. A 2 here, so 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1, a 3 here, so 6 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.